to go ahead and get started here with a set of Shorty BBK ceramic coated headers. Now, of course, these headers are not going to be your long tubes, but they are going to look better under the hood. They are going to perform a little bit better, being that it's a boosted application, having a little bit larger of a primary versus your factory manifold. The nice thing about these headers, if you're in a restrictive state with performance modifications and emission standards, these headers are 50 state legal, and they retain everything in regards to emissions on your factory catalytic converters. So literally remove your mid pipe and put these new headers on, put the factory mid pipe back on, and everything will work as it should. They do look better under the hood. They will perform a little bit better. Now, if you got a naturally aspirated combination, it probably won't be worth your time. But if you are boosting your Mustang and want something a little bit nicer under the hood and perform a little bit better, a set of Shorty headers is not a bad way to go. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do the bullet points here of installing some headers on a 4.6 liter 05 to 09 Mustang.
Flex y'all. Great success.
We'll break them loose. And then we're actually just going to pull the studs straight out.
Oh, good call.
With the nuts still on them.
Yep. That way we don't have to undo 16 nuts and 16 studs.
I just hope that this one will make itself one of 3. motor mount nut.
Go on, get it. There's a pointy part where it broke.
There you go.
There we go.
Is that a stud that's up there?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, that's probably where that ground wire goes, I'm guessing?
Yep.
Okay. I get it.
So on these ones, the ground wire's up top.
Watchy.
Okay, so we're just buttoning up all the headers and stuff along those lines. If anything, it's a vast improvement for the look under the hood. Performance-wise, we're not expecting major gains. It will help with the supercharger and everything, having headers that are equal length and bigger primaries and such versus the stock manifolds. But if anything, those headers do look nice under the hood, so they'll go nice along with the motif we're kind of going with here with a nice little street car that's got some little nice odds and ends here and there. So go ahead, finishing button everything up here, and then we'll move on to the supercharger.